Hello my dear students, welcome to another video of your EVS class. We have been learning the chapter called the super senses, and today we learn something more interesting. Let's learn 5 amazing facts about tigers. Fact number 1. A tiger can see 6 times better at night than most of us humans. Fact number 2. Can you see the whiskers on the tiger? Do you know why tigers have such long whiskers? The tiger's whiskers are very sensitive, and it can sense even the tiniest movements and even the vibrations in the air. These whiskers will help the tiger to move in the dark and to find its prey. Fact number 3. Have you noticed the ears on a tiger? The ears of the tiger will move in all different directions, and this will help the tiger to catch the sounds from all around him. And also, a tiger's sense of hearing is very sharp that it can understand the difference between the leaves rustling and the sound made when an animal is actually moving on the grass. Fact number 4. Tigers have different sounds. It depends on the different purposes. Like, it makes one sound when it is angry and it has another sound when it is calling out to a tigress. It can also roar or even snarl. A tiger's roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers away. Just imagine how far we can hear a tiger roar. Fact number 5. A tiger has its own area. This area may cover several kilometers. Tigers mark their area with urine. You must actually be familiar with this fact because we have learned in the beginning of the chapter that dogs mark their area with urine, and so does tigers. If another tiger comes into the area, the tiger will come to know at once by the smell of the urine. A tiger will avoid going into another tiger's area. We have now come to the last topic of our chapter, hunting and poaching of wild animals. Nowadays, many animals are killed and their parts are sold in the market. You might be familiar with a lot of them. Do you think it is the right thing to do? No. Animals also deserve to live on this planet, and human beings should respect that and not kill animals for their own benefits. We shall now see some animals that are killed and the different parts of them which are sold in the markets. Tigers are one of the most alert animals, and yet today tigers are in danger. Do you know why? Tigers are killed for their skin. Elephants are one of the largest existing land animals. They too are killed to obtain their tusk. Rhinoceros. These animals, commonly called as rhino, are at the verge of extinction due to poaching. They are killed for their horns. Crocodiles. These large dangerous reptiles are killed mercilessly to obtain their skin. The skin has great value in the market and it is known as the best leather. Snakes. Just like crocodiles, snakes too are killed to obtain their skins. These skins obtained from the snakes are then converted into bags and shoes. Musk deer. These small, gentle creatures are poached excessively to obtain a little scent from its musk. Human beings are the biggest threat to animals. The number of tigers and many other animals in our country is reducing due to the excessive hunting and poaching. There is great danger that some of them will soon disappear. To protect the different wild animals, our government has made forests into protected areas called national parks. Let's see some of the national parks in India. The first one is Jim Corbett National Park. The Jim Corbett National Park is a forested wildlife sanctuary in Uttarakhand state. It is known for its Bengal tigers. Other animals found in the national park include leopards, elephants, deers, and hundreds of species of birds. Another example is the Keladeo National Park in Rajasthan, also called formerly as the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. Now let's go through today's notes. Write down in your notebook. Give the heading Tiger. A tiger can see 6 times better at night than most of us humans. The tiger's whiskers are very sensitive and can sense the movements or vibrations in air. They help the tiger move in the dark and find its prey. A tiger's sense of hearing is so sharp that it can make out the difference between the rustling of leaves and the sound of an animal moving on the grass. The ears of the tigers can move in different directions, and this helps to catch the sounds from all around. Tigers make different sound for different purposes, like when it is angry or to call out to a tigress. It can also roar or snarl. Its roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers away. Each tiger has its own area, which may cover several kilometers. Tigers mark their area with their urine. A tiger can at once come to know if another tiger is in its area by the smell of the urine. A tiger will avoid going into another tiger's area. Now here is a very simple activity for you. Let's learn how to draw a tiger. This consists of a very simple step-by-step tutorial. You can also draw a tiger of your own choice. Once you have finished drawing the tiger, you can continue with the notes. Many animals are killed and their parts are sold. This is called poaching. National parks are reserved areas which are made to protect wild animals. Example: Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand. Keladeo National Park, Rajasthan. Now here is your activity number 2. This is to be answered based on the video. Human beings are the biggest threat to animals. Many animals are killed and their parts are sold. Given below is a tabular column. You need to fill in the various parts of animals that are sold. The first one is given as an example. Elephant, tusk. The rest of them should be answered by yourself based on the video. Submit the activity and the notes before Sunday, that is on 19th July 2020. Both the activity and the notes is to be written in your notebook neatly. We have completed the first chapter, Super Senses. Please start studying the first chapter. You will be having a unit test on the chapter very soon. The date for the test paper will be informed later. Now this is your assignment for the chapter 1, Super Senses. The marks obtained in the assignment will be taken as your internal assessment. To protect our wild animals, our government has made some forests into reserved areas. Given below is a list of national parks in India. You need to find out in which states these national parks are situated in, and then you need to draw or mark the exact location of these national parks in the map of India. Here are a few instructions for the assignment. The assignment should be done in A4 paper. You may either draw the map of India or use a printed copy. The submission date for the assignment is 24th July 2020, that is next Friday. The assignment done must be very neat and presentable. It must have a front page containing the following details: your name, class, division, assignment subject, and also name of the teacher in charge. When you do the assignment, the paper must have borders. The completed assignment must be filed and safely kept until the school reopens. This shall be included in your portfolio later. Thank you. I'll see you next week. Until then, stay safe. Bye.